Hey everyone! Last month in September, I started a monthly mail club for stained glass artists called Pattern Club. In this video, I'll tell you a little bit about it and show you some of the behind the scenes. So I started Pattern Club to create more and challenge myself to come up with new designs, but I also wanted to share that with others. And my sticker patterns have become very popular on my shop, so I thought, what if I create a new stained glass pattern each month and sent it out to subscribers? That was my initial idea for it, and from there I fully planned it out. I worked on it every single day in August. Then I launched on September 1st. Basically, you join for $8 a month and you get an exclusive stained glass sticker pattern in the mail. This was September's pattern. First time subscribers receive a welcome card and a sticker. With your subscription, you also have access to the digital files. You can resize them, make as many as you want, and you also have commercial use, which means you can sell the pieces that you make from the pattern. With all that said, let's get into the last week of August, what I was doing in order to prep for the launch. At this point, everything was set up. The Pattern Club listing was finalized. I had created all the promo. I made this little video. I spent 5 hours on it, this little stop motion showing everything that's in the envelope. But I love how it turned out. I'm really proud of it. And since I had all of that, I posted some teasers on my Instagram stories and a countdown to the launch. Anyways, I started printing out the cards, which is one of the things that took the longest because I can only fit so many on a page and they're printed on both sides. And then at the end of the week, I started printing on the envelopes. This was also a very tedious task because I only did 15 or so at a time to prevent the printer from jamming. So I have to manually switch them out. And I also have to do this a second time later on when I have to print the addresses on them. This brings us to September 1st, the launch day. I was a little bit nervous because I had spent so much time and put so much work into this. So of course I wanted it to go well. It went live at 12 p.m. and to promote it a little bit more, I made it so the first 25 people that subscribed would get it for $7. It's normally $8 a month. And I was expecting to reach that number maybe like later in the week. But by the end of the day, I had 208 people join. So that was surreal. The next day, I had 92 more people join, and that brings us to 300. So I capped the subscriptions there just because I wanted to make sure that I could actually fulfill all of that. But now I really get to work and everything is in full-on production. My one Cricut machine was cutting out patterns for 18 hours over the course of 3 days. I got those done end of that week, and then Saturday I added 45 more spots because I had some extra envelopes. Those have all been sent out. It is now October and I'm working on this month's pattern, and spots are open if you would like to join. I just want to say thank you to everyone that is a part of Pattern Club. I've had so much fun putting this together and I'm so excited for the upcoming months. Enjoy the rest of the video watching me pack all of the envelopes and send them out, and thank you for watching.